You can make a durable pothole repair using common tools if you follow proper technique and material choices. Start by removing all loose debris and standing water using a stiff broom or brush. Pry out any undermined material with a flat shovel so the patch has solid edges to bond to. If you do not have a mechanical tamper, use a heavy stick, the back of a long-handled trowel, or a sledgehammer with a scrap timber block to compress the fill in layers about 2 inches at a time until firm. Use a cold patch asphalt or a high-quality gravel and hot emulsion mix depending on temperature and availability, and make sure the material is slightly overfilled before compaction to allow for settling. For thin patch areas, feather the edges so traffic does not pry up the material, and for larger holes, compact in incremental lifts to avoid voids. After compacting, dress the surface with fine aggregate or a broom sweep to lock loose particles and reduce skidding. Common mistakes are failing to remove loose material, which prevents a bond and leads to quick failure. So always clean the hole down to firm base and dry if possible. Another mistake is under compacting because people try to tamp everything at once. Compact in shallow layers with repeated firm blows using a heavy stick or sledgehammer and check firmness as you go. A third issue is using inappropriate fill, so the patch crumbles or pumps out. So match the patch material to conditions and traffic loads, or use a cold mix engineered for pothole repairs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find advice on small and large repairs related to road edges, driveways, and resurfacing. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community, where users and pros exchange tips, techniques, and material recommendations.